Grey, yeah. Yeah. Howard.
Howard, yeah. Jacob, if you just look outside, can you see those blocks? You're able to see like the words of the blocks. You can see the words of the block saying tower. Yeah. And also those wires are actually for when the diesels come, they'll really be going.
Can't see much, but
Right, I just have to do something. Oh look, if you just see there's a bridge. But I'm gonna walk. Have you seen the big train that's on the video?
No worries.
Can you see?
not yet anything yet.
I mean, can you see out the window?
Yeah?
Am I okay to squeeze in?
Yeah, go ahead. I've just got to hold my phone out 'cause I'm filming.
Have you seen the little dragon?
Green dragon.
Yeah.
I've seen it in the ad. I ain't seen it running.
Me either.
It's running tomorrow, actually.
No, so it's not running today.
No.
Oh,
Might be having it steaming up though, because it takes like they'll have it warming up the boiler probably, so it might be in the yard.
From that, so that we see a blue, red, that red. Railway children. That. Oh, can't that. Right, Jacob, you're going to see the word. Yeah. Can you see this one? They made out of stone wood. Yeah. Power. Kind of.
oh, it's raining.
Oh, yeah. Right, you're able to see Big Bridge.
So, as you've seen, we've got the train up to Oxenhope. We're now in the museum. So, guess let's start. So we have the WD. This was for war traffic. It's British. 280. Sadly, it does not have its tender for some reason. But Celebratus. It's the only one surviving of its type.
It's 280.
So I guess it's special. Here we have, well, it's a little 060 dock shunter, canal shunter. Next we have a lot more military railway, the Austerity. This was also made for the war era. Or war traffic. It's a shunting engine, it's powerful for its size, but it's still very good. So next we have a pannier tank, a special pannier tank. This is from the railway children. So this engine is the main engine that you saw the children save it. Such, and it's not ran in a very long time. They may have painted it up and moved it around, but it's not ran in the been for a very, very long time. Next, we have the standard 4 tank, or the Scottish standard 4 tank, indicated by its blue name board and plates at the front. We have a Fowler 3F Ginty here. Again, very powerful for its size, and it's quite versatile, and for it's extremely well known as such. There's quite a lot of them still around.
Well, apart from the standard 40.
Standard 4 still have more. Next is my favourite one. The mainly. British and Yorkshire Railway. Metal buckles, but compromise. But this is one of my most. This is the most favourite engine. I have 2 of these. There's not as much here as there is at Ingrow West, but there's still a very good museum. We're just left Oxenhoe and we're now behind the Fowler. Thank you! We're just behind the Fowler Forest and the 2P, which is in the Keighly and Worth Valley Red. We're getting the Fowler is staying on with us all the way down to Keighly, and we have the 2P coming off at Haworth. So as soon as we get to Haworth, which is in about 5 minutes, 3 minutes max maybe, we'll catch the video back on. But yeah, but it's a bit of a surprise that we had both of these on, because we went down to Haworth, but then we realised we then realised that a double header's coming up, so we then waited for this service to come up, so we went back up to Oxenhoe to now come all the way back down. So we'll catch it back on once we're in Haworth. And
we're going to just video the entire thing.
Yeah, we might just video the entire thing. But the real action will start happening
just before Haworth.
In about 20 seconds. So, yeah, Chris will stick his head out with the Right, so we're in Haworth now. We're just waiting for the 2P to come off, and then we'll be continuing. So it should be coming down this track, like she's right next to us.
I mean, we'll be seeing the S160 soon.
Oh yeah, we'll be seeing the S160 Big Jim. Big Jim's live.
As well.
And Big Jim is live. Yeah, Green Dragon's in the yard as well, so it's behind Vulcan, which is their 09 shunter. But yeah. Just wait for them
we'll catch you up when
once we know what they're doing with this 2P. Right, so we've just left Haworth. Next stop is Oakworth.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we're going to be going through Dames, which will be seeing the class 26 at. Are we going to get off at Ingrow and get the shuttle back down, or are we just going to go all the way?
We'll just go all the way, it's cheaper.
Right, yeah, true.
Well, not cheaper, easier.
It's easier. Lights on for the tunnel. Not yet.
Yes, no.
Just a bit early.
I know. Tell me when it's coming up,
I think it's just around this corner.
Got it.
Tunnel.
Yeah, that was some tunnel, wasn't it? Right, this is some tunnel.
Here's the tunnel.
Some tunnel. Some tunnel. Some tunnel.
Some tunnel, yeah, it's only small. Going around a nice corner, but because we're so close to this end, sadly we can't see it.
Well, we could.
We could, but we can't see the engine that well because we're just a tiny bit too close to the engine. If we were maybe at the back of this coach, it might have been a bit easier, but By the looks of things, we're coming into Haworth now, so...
Oakwood, do you mean?
Oakwood, sorry. Yeah, Oakwood. Yep. So this is the station that the Railway Children was filmed on, and it is going to be behind Chris, not my side like Haworth was. So this is the platform that the Railway Children was filmed on. The old one, not the new one. And not the sequel either.
Right, and we're just going to pause and...
Yeah, and we'll pause and bring you back once we're at...
Or once we're going.
Once we're departing here. So the 2P's just setting off now to do the shunt. So Chris will film that.
Yeah, that's what So that's the 2P shunted. So as we pass, you should be able to see it. So if I just get out of the frame. You're still in it, you think?
Yeah. So that's their memorial 2P as such. You could say it's the engine that pulled the first ever service of the Keighly and Worth Valley Preservation Society, as well as Worth Valley number 72, which is sadly not here anymore.
Sold it.
Yeah, they sold it because they couldn't use it. So it's currently at Ribble Steep.
Yeah, ready for tomorrow's drama?
That was out in the yard. We're just coming to Haworth now.
We're going to pause the video.
We'll pause the video and catch on once we've set off again. So we're departing now, as you can tell. Yeah, the 4F is a very, very beautiful engine. Maybe in BR black only, but c'est la vie, I guess. So there's not much in the yard here, but
Just
we'll
what?
have
Just
a look.
ballasting.
Yeah, just ballast equipment really.
China clay.
Milk, fish, and a brake van, and a conflat. No, not conflat, a low mac. So there's not much really here till we get to games, but we'll keep on the video.
The only reason we know where we are is this.
Yeah, the maps.
Very useful.
Very useful, yeah.
From the stations ain't that much very far apart really. It might look like that on the map, but they're not.
It's a representation.
Yeah, it's a representation. The reason it doesn't seem to be as long and as short as the platforms are is because of the turning around, left, right, and centre on the rails. We've got a red signal here, so we'll be stopping.
Do we? Let's see. Come on.
Yeah, there's a red signal.
Yeah.
For both. Time is 25 to 4.
25 to 4. Right, I'm going to stick on this side.
So that'll be perfect timing to be back.
Yeah.
Or is the loop?
Right. I'm going to video this.
26.
Ethan, I'm going to video this side.
Yeah, 26 is at day.
They are. That's what's going to happen, though, isn't it?
Has it left you?
No.
You serious? 9.
I mean, if it has left, it's going at 5 miles an hour. Okay, there we go. It's crawling, Ethan. Yay! So interesting. I think it's the.
It looks like it's
Yeah, 27?
20. I'll put me on. It looks like
Yeah, I think it is the 20. You're right. So you're wrong about it being 26.
nice. Not so bad. It looks like it could be a 20. Still looks like it could be 20. Not as good as the steam engine, no, but still interesting.
As soon as they go, we'll be going, won't we?
As soon as the clear out points, yeah, and put that point sections.
Are we just going to pause the video and then...
Yeah, we'll pause the video. So we've just left Dames Yam, passing loop now, and just coming into Dames platform. So we're coming across the crossing, and here is Dames Station, world's smallest station in Great Britain. Sorry, smallest station in Great Britain.
Not the world thing.
It can only fit one coach. Someone getting off?
No?
What we stopped for?
I like this station. Okay. We got this information from this helpful thing again.
Yeah. So now we're just leaving Dames.
And the next station we're getting off at
is Ingrove West, so we can get the shuttle service like
Yeah.
what you saw at the start of this video.
Yeah, plans changed.
Yeah, plans changed. We're not going all the way down.
Although we'd like to.
We'd like to, but well, no, we could go all the way down, couldn't we?
No.
Because then we could
agreed.
watch, but then we could watch the 4F wheel slip trying to get this service out. So
it worth it?
actually, no.
Let's just get off at Ingram.
Well, we'll just get off at England because it'll have to wait for us to come down then.
Coming towards.
And then we'll watch it from there.
Right, we're coming towards the tunnel.
We're coming towards another tunnel.
The longer of the tunnels.
Nah, probably the shorter one. It's only 130 yards.
That was only what, 10 yards?
Nah.
Yes.
100.
That wasn't even 100. Okay, I'm on.
Yeah, grab our stuff. You can watch Ingrove West platform come in to view. There it is.
Are we stopping?
Yeah, why not? We'll get off.
No. Is it stopping though? That is
Yeah.
the question.
Yeah, it is.
I feel like we just shot past it.
No, we're still in.
Okay.
Are we getting off or are we staying on?
We'll get off. Come on.
Get off them.
Grab your bottle.
Yep, got my bottle. Right, we'll pause video here. Right, so we're off the platform. We're onto the platform now. We're off the train. We're just going to be watching the 4F speed. And then we'll be getting our shuttle service when it gets here.
The 37.
So we're just waiting for the Keighly to Ingrove West shuttle to come back now. It is a class 37 with 78022 on, we think. It says that on the thing, but things have to change. So yeah, we'll just wait for it to get here. And then once that's happened, we'll catch on the video from there. Right, so the service is coming in now. It looks like it's got the robin at this end, by the looks of things. Yeah, it does, and the 37 must be at the other end. But yeah, we'll get it coming in. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get it. Let's go.
Might get this back.
I think that we're through one right now.
Okay. Scrap that one then.
Go this one.
Yeah, we'll go this one.
Thanks.
Popping in ours? Yeah?
Dad, you're coming in here.
Yeah, you can come into ours. No problem with that.
I'm still busy.
Yeah, there's no problem coming in.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Where's my sticky in there?
I hit my head. Oh. Yes, I have. Yeah. Special that came through on the main line. Oh, I'll have to shoot some photos. We'll have to shoot some photos. Actually, it'll be on the video. It'll be on the video when we upload it, so you can see. It was this evening. It was diesel as well. What was that? Yeah, that's why I like it. Yeah. But Chloe goes into town where we can run. And right, we're pulling into the platform. Which platform do you reckon we're on? 4. Yeah, we're in platform 4. Oh, and we'll see the 26 soon. It's just there. Yeah. And did you see the food service that came in? That was great.
So we're now at Keighly, we've got the shuttle service back. But we're going to watch the 37 and the 4F leave. So the video. So we'll just watch this leave and then the video will probably end. Looks like the sounding getting ready to leave. So yeah, this is the 37 that'll be taking this service out. 4F is on that end. So we'll just wait for it to leave.
Dark clouds.
That's the other one.
Are they going now?
Possibly.
What, so they're just waiting? No, this will be going.
So what was the horn for? Bit
Right.
weird, isn't it?
Whistle's going. Oh no, it might have been main line.
Unlikely.
Could be.
Could have been, yeah.
That's why they're going slow. It's a heavy train without.
I know why. 4F came off. And so is the diesel on the so is the diesel on the end of the shuttle. See ya. Probably happening. We're going to put the 4F on the rear of the service.
Right, should we go over there?
Yeah.
They're just revving it up. I want that shot. I want that shot. I don't care how. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Put them right next to each other. Stop for a car, they haven't worked.
Yeah. I feel sorry for it.
What are they doing with the diesel on the car end?
Running round, maybe? Or
No
something.
point.
That's why they hunk the horn. Right, you're going to sign off now.
Right, so I hope you've enjoyed this video of me at Keighly and Worth Valley Steam Gala, or Diesel and Steam Extravaganza. As always, please like and subscribe. And this is Rose Reefan signing off.